So last year, my family member hooked me up with this shipping company called Allen Shippers. I want to tell you guys, they are the best of the best. When I say the best, they are the best. When I did my first package, I remember I was having some issues setting up my shipping alert, and this guy, he literally walked me through the steps. Even when I wasn't understanding, he was there. He was being so polite. The guy who delivered my package, I'm telling you guys, they're the best, and I will always recommend the best. And as I said before, they are the best, and that's on period. They are the best. So I would say continue, you guys. You're doing great, and I love the work. The customer service is on point, the delivery on point, and when they say they will come through, they will come through. They're the best. The best.